Please hold on just for a minute before we take you to Leads to List. We know you're excited about getting new leads, but what if we could show you a method to get profit from Leads to List without spending a single cent on ads? Yes, no need to have a Facebook ads account, no need to make a single design, and you can make a profit in a matter of hours, not days or weeks. Sounds incredible. It's 100% true, and over the last 20 or so products that we have created, we have helped thousands of people make hundreds of thousands of dollars this way. Ready to find out how? By selling Leads to List access to other people. Yes, you can buy an agency account on Leads to List here, which will give you the permission to sell Leads to List to others. Your customers will be able to log in and use Leads to List, and you can sell it to them even at a recurring fee. Yes, make money not just once but month after month by selling Leads to List at a recurring price. Right after launch, we are going to make Leads to List a recurring product and sell it at a minimum price of $9.95 a month. You can sell monthly or yearly access at your price and make money easy. Leads to List is 100% fresh software that brings amazing value to digital marketers. Everyone will love to have it. You know this, right? You've bought it too. So if you've got some marketer friends or a list, or can run solo ads, make social posts, or make a phone call, you have a wonderful opportunity to create a new income stream. Just get Leads2list Agency today and sell for profit. You will get full control over your buyers, including account creation, account suspension, and cancellation, so you can make sure your buyers pay every month. Click on the button below and claim your fresh recurring revenue today.